In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Smalltalk in Dialogflow. Smalltalk is a built-in feature that lets your agent handle friendly, casual phrases like, "Hello, how are you?" or "Tell me a joke," without you having to create those intents yourself. It's a quick way to make your bot feel more natural and welcoming right from the start. First, open your agent in the Dialogflow Console. Your agent is the specific project that contains your intents, entities, and settings. Make sure you've selected the correct agent for the environment you want to update, especially if you work across multiple projects. If you're in the Google Cloud interface, switch to the Dialogflow ES console for this task, since Smalltalk is part of Dialogflow ES, not Dialogflow CX. Once your agent is open, look to the left sidebar. You'll see the main navigation with sections like Intents, Entities, and Fulfillment. Find the option labeled Smalltalk. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. If you don't see Smalltalk at all, double-check that you're in Dialogflow ES and that your agent's language is supported. Click Smalltalk to open its settings. You'll notice it's organized into categories, things like greetings, compliments, and chit-chat. Turn the feature on by toggling Enable. This instantly activates a comprehensive set of pre-built responses, tuned for common conversational phrases. You don't have to add training phrases or write responses for these topics unless you want to customize them. If you do choose to customize, your edits will override the defaults for just those items, while the rest of the Smalltalk set remains active. After turning it on, click Save. The Save button is typically at the top right or bottom of the page, and your change won't take effect until you save. Once saved, the update applies quickly. Your existing custom intents will continue working as usual, and they take priority over Smalltalk if there's any overlap, so you won't lose control of important business logic. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Smalltalk doesn't require training or deployment steps beyond saving, and it won't interfere with your fulfillment unless you specifically customize responses to call webhooks. It's great for improving user experience, especially for first-time users. If you ever decide you want a different tone or need to disable certain topics, you can revisit the Smalltalk page, edit individual responses, or toggle it off at any time. That's all there is to it. Enable, save, and your agent can handle everyday chit-chat with ease.